Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to track a website feed using Distill. Feeds are updated automatically as and when new content becomes available, and it saves time and effort for you to stay updated with your favorite websites, blogs, or news sources. Distill's Web Monitor lets you track a variety of website feeds like RSS, XML, Atom, and more. In this video tutorial, you will learn to set up a feed monitor to configure custom alerts for the latest updates from your favorite online sources. So here I've chosen to track a feed that covers a variety of topics related to technology, programming, and web development. Here this website aggregates all its recent entries in a feed. Let me click on it and show you how the feed looks. Now I want to track this feed for any updates. So I'll copy the URL of this feed, head over to the Distill web app, which is on monitor.distill.io, click add monitor, click feed, paste the URL of the feed and hit go. Now Distill is passing the feed and you should see it appear here. Now click select. On this page you can further configure your feed monitor. Choose a device on which the check should be made. I will choose the Distill Cloud servers. You can even rename your feed monitor. I want to check the feed every 1 hour for updates. If you want to receive generic updates, you can go ahead and save the monitor as is after choosing an alert mode that fits your needs. To do so, you have to click on Add Action and choose one of the alert modes that you prefer for notifications. These will depend on your Distill subscription plan. If you want to receive alerts for a particular type of update on a feed, you can add a condition. In my case, I want to be updated of any new entries on the feed regarding Python programming. So I'll go ahead and key that in. So anytime a new update comes on the feed which has the text Python programming added in it, I will receive a notification from Distill. If you do not want any specific notification, you can choose to delete the condition and go ahead and save the monitor as is. And the feed monitor appears in your watch list and you will see the latest entry updated in the preview.